In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a to-do list in Microsoft Outlook. This process is simple and can be extremely beneficial in keeping you organized and on top of your tasks. Let's dive right in. To start, head over to Microsoft Outlook. If you don't already have it open, go to your browser and navigate to the official Outlook website. Outlook is a versatile tool, perfect for managing your emails, calendars, and you guessed it, your to-do lists. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the sign in button. Click on it. If you're new to Outlook, you'll need to enter your email and password to sign in. If you encounter any issues, make sure your credentials are correct or use Microsoft's password recovery options. Successfully signing in is crucial as it grants you access to all of Outlook's robust features, including the to-do list functionality. After signing in, you'll see the main dashboard. Look at the left side of the screen where you'll find various options like Mail, Calendar, and People. Focus on the option labeled To Do and give it a click. This section is where all the magic happens. It's efficiently designed for task management. Now that you're in the To Do section, the next step is quite straightforward. You'll see an option to add a new task. Click on this and you'll be prompted to input a name for your task. Keep it short and precise, maybe something like meeting preparation or grocery shopping. Using specific names helps keep your list neat and makes it easier for you to prioritize later. Once you've named your task, it's time for some fine-tuning. Although this step is optional, it's very helpful for staying on track. You can set a start date and a due date for your task. This timeline can be crucial if you're managing several tasks at once, particularly if some are deadline sensitive. You can also assign a priority level to your task. Outlook lets you choose from options like high, medium, or low, allowing you to identify critical tasks at a glance. Lastly, for tasks you might forget, set up pop-up reminders. These notifications can give you that gentle nudge right when you need it. After you've configured all the settings to your liking, there's one last thing to do: click Save. This will make sure all your details are secured and your task officially makes it onto your list. And there you have it. You now have a neatly organized to-do list in Microsoft Outlook, ready to help you tackle your day productively. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to make the most of your digital tools. Until next time, happy organizing.